What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and we haven't done one of these in a while. Look at this. Almost looks crazy. Do you see all of the dust particulates flying around on this video? I can't shoot this. This looks crazy. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. We haven't done one of these in a while, so we're doing a giveaway video. Just a basic, quick, easy giveaway video. You can also call it maybe a YouTube starter pack. So basically what we're doing is I've partnered up with my buddy Carlos and Shawn. I'm going to link both of their channels in the description down below. And basically what we're doing is we're going to give away $425 via PayPal to one winner, or you can pick either or. A GoPro Hero Black, I'm calling it a YouTube starter pack, and I'll give you like a little an adapter with a lanyard mic that you can you know, clip on, so you can do your own type of videos, whether you're doing car videos or something else. Or you can take the cash option and take the $425. Major salute to both Carlos and Shawn for chipping in and doing that on the video. You guys, usually I'm not used to doing that. Usually if I'm doing a video, I'm putting out mostly my own stuff. So I appreciate them for tapping in and doing their thing. And yeah, it's real simple. You have to make sure that you comment on this video, thumbs up this video. Make sure you're subscribed to all three channels. The links to their channels will be in the description down below. And then you have to comment on their giveaway videos. My video is probably going to drop last, so both of theirs should already be up. So yeah, go check it out and go tap in. It's free. You don't have to buy a t-shirt. You don't have to do, but if you decide you want to do that, you can go to tk'sgarage.com and go pick up some of our merch. But it is not a requirement. You literally just have to comment, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe. So there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I want to wish everybody good luck. I want to thank Shawn and Carlos for putting stuff together. And we'll see you guys. I believe Shawn said March 15th will be when they pull the winners for the PayPal and GoPro giveaway. So again, major shout out to Shawn and Carlos for, you know, getting that together. And I wish all you guys good luck. But like I said, there's not really anything you have to do. Like I said, comment on all three videos, make sure you're subscribed to all three channels, and that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and good luck to you guys, and more content coming for you guys soon.